Man, nah, not in the refrigerator too.
Boy, oh boy, you gone out there done. Hey, what you on that? Neho? Reposado? Probably on that silver.
Man,
But anyway though, bro. I like this guy brown. But man, that roast right there, that roast, well y'all smoke that, it's cold and it's good. So I can only imagine how it's gonna taste when y'all warm it up. Matter of fact, can you check the date on this ranch?
ranch on Rose?
Yeah, ranch. I put ranch on everything. If you know, you know, man. Y'all sleep.
It's still good. I don't know. That do sound good though. Ranch on Rose. I might have to try that.
There's some lunch meat down there. We got some turkey. You got turkey and ham. There's some cheese down there. I don't know how the cheese look. You might want to check the date on the cheese.
Nah, forget all that, man. I'm finna get that roast. Oh yeah, I'm about to eat some drink too. I will. Bruh,
Oh, dude. My bad, dog.
you wasting stuff in my refrigerator. I knew I wasn't the one doing that. I knew it wasn't me, man. You been doing this the whole time?
You need to check the date on some of that stuff over there.
I do need to check. It's good.
I seen some more of that's out of there. On everything.
Better pick them crumbs up.